Okay, so I had this problem with my Amarok. Is the cigarette lighter, which I wanted to use for the dash cam, comes off the battery. So every now and again I'd forget to unplug it, and I was lucky that this car's got a good battery and it would sit all day with the dash cam running. But the trouble is it's then overriding everything that's on your dash cam that you might want to keep. So I have found a way to, don't worry, I'll tidy all this wiring up in a minute. I found a way. You get one of these little fuse jumper thingos, and you put it in that fuse there. I think it's fuse 54. I'll double check. So you put that in there. You tuck that wiring up and away, and then what I've done is I've cut the wire to the back of the cigarette lighter, and that yellow wire has been spliced onto there. I've left the earth and the little ring light the same for when the headlights are on. So that wire that comes from the battery is tucked down inside that insulation there. That's been cut, and I've spliced that yellow wire onto the red wire there. So now this only gets power when the ignition's on. And you turn the ignition off and the dash cam goes off. So that was easy enough. And the way I got that wire up through there was a piece of this, it's actually the tongue off of structure floor, and I use it for chasing electrical cables. So you slide that through there, tape your yellow wire to it, pull it back through, and there you go, you've got your yellow wire. So that was easy enough. So once again, just running from that fuse there, round underneath there, up into there, and then onto the back of the cigarette light, onto the back of the cigarette lighter. So I'll tidy all that up now, and one final test. Ignition on, dash cam on, ignition off, dash cam off. Problem solved.